Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a critical issue in the Stratos Data Center. The production support team reported that the Nautilus app can't connect to the database, and it looks like the MariaDB service is down. First, let's SSH into the database server. Since we need to manage system services and permissions, I'm switching to the root user immediately so we have full control. The task said the service is down, but let's always verify. I'm running systemctl status MariaDB. As you can see, it is indeed inactive. I'll try to start it up. But it fails. But the error message gives us a hint. Check the journal. Let's check the logs with journalctl. Let's check the directory. It also said permission denied. I'll check the permissions with ls-lah. Easy fix. We need to give ownership back MySQL. Now that permissions are fixed, let's try starting the service again. No errors this time. Let's check the status one last time. It is active and running. Just to be absolutely sure, I'll log into the database and list the database. Everything looks good. Let's hit the check button. Okay, it is complete. If this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more KodeKloud Linux Level 2 tasks. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.